Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable performance mode on MSI Thin A15. You can either set your laptop to performance or the balanced mode, and the balanced mode will have less performance but will use less power, so the battery will not die as quickly, and it will also overheat less, and the fans will be a bit quieter. So if you want that, then you can set it to balance, but if you want to have a better performance, then you should go to advanced. Use it in BIOS. If you don't know how to enter the BIOS, there's a video on our channel on how to do it. Then as you go to advanced, you will see use a scenario, and you can set it to performance mode or balance mode. So I'm gonna set it to performance mode. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.